Today I'm going to talk about another swallow which is highly recommended for people with diabetes. The first ingredient is flaxseed. Flaxseed. It has so many nutrients, omega-3, protein, fiber, and lots more. The next one is chia seed. Chia seed is also recommended for people with diabetics, and in fact I have used this seed in my previous video for breakfast. These two ingredients are available in Lagos and the prices are quite reasonable. So we grind these two ingredients together to make our swallow. For this video, I use 1 cup. So we boil the water, and in our usual way of making swallow, we'll put this ingredient inside the hot water, mix it together until it forms a dough for swallow. Okay, now because I was not really ready to eat, I put it in a cling film wrap. So when I was ready, I put it in my usual eating bowl, and then I added jute mallow, ewedu. I'm sure you will now know that ewedu is my favorite. I love it because it has so many nutrients and it's really good for the body and for diabetics. So I brought out my pot of soup, my fish pot of soup, already made as usual for the meal. I have been eating this meal for some years now, and I really do not have any regrets. No worries at all about blood sugar spikes. A packet of these two ingredients will give you at least about 5 swallow meals. Please change your lifestyle. Eat well, eat better. Not only swallows, I will be showing you more good meals for you to reverse your diabetics. So look out for more recipes in my upcoming videos. God bless you.